Hey guys, I've got another smartphone gimbal here that we're going to be checking out. This one here is from FreeVision. It is called the Vilta-M Pro. And by looking at the picture here, guys, this one looks really interesting. As you can see, you've got a lot of buttons there that is just completely exposed, and it's something different I never seen before. So looking at the back here, we do have a lot of features. What this gimbal can do, it can do the panorama, 4K, slow motion, motion time-lapse, IntelliTrace, long exposure, and some other good information back here in the box. So let's open this up, guys, and see what kind of things we get inside the box. You do get your warranty and your other cards here. It looks like a quick start guide. So let's just put that on the side for now and focus what we've got inside here. So here we go. Wow. Look at that, guys. Oh my. This gimbal looks really nice. Wow. Look at all those buttons. You do have a knob here on the side. That's probably to focus on your subject. And let me see if I could focus here, guys. Seems like my camera's having a hard time focusing. So you do have plenty of buttons here. You have your OK display. It looks like a folder down here. Function, picture, photo, record button down there. And the other ones I'm not too sure. On the side here, you do have a knob that might be to do a pull focus or zoom in or zoom out. Actually, there is two knobs here. The first one here, you do have the one on the top, and then you do have another one at the bottom here, which is quite interesting. I've never seen that before. And you have your Type-C slot there. You have your trigger button on the back. And then of course you have your 1/4 thread down there. And you do have this nice rubber grip on the back, which feels really nice. The bottom base of the gimbal is made of plastic. On the top portion, it seems like it's 50-50 plastic and metal. And when it comes to weight, it feels great in the hand, guys. It's not too heavy whatsoever. And let's see what else we have here. And then you do have a connector back there. It looks like your standard USB slot. And you do have your smartphone mount, which it spans pretty wide, pretty decent. And you do have your adjustable here if you do want to decide to change the position of your smartphone device. And yeah, looks really nice, guys. It's something different compared to the other smartphone devices that I own. And let's see what else we have in the box here. You do have your tripod over here. All right, sorry guys, my camera seems like it's acting up. I don't know if it's either due to the background that is white that's causing to not focus on my subject, but it seems like it's not focusing. But anyways, we'll just find out and see how it goes once I upload this on YouTube. But the tripod here is quite nice. It's very lightweight and it opens quite easily, guys. And it comes with your Type-C cable and a strap over here. So stay tuned for my test review on this gimbal, and my full review will be followed up after all my testing and so forth. And if you guys have any other questions or anything about this gimbal, I will definitely answer your questions. And also I would definitely will be comparing this with my other gimbals as well, and see how the overall performance when it comes to stabilization and the features what this gimbal has to offer. But just for today, it's just a quick unboxing and my first impression. What do you think about this gimbal? So once again, guys, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.